Bon, kamusta? After moving to a new team, ano lang gusto mo?
First of all, super thankful ako sa San Miguel. They took care of me my whole career halos. Even till the last point, they helped me out. So, thankful ako sa kanila. And I'm excited sa new team na to kasi new team to, new opportunity for me. Siyempre, I'm getting older. I think it's my 10th year na yata sa PBA. So, I'm just trying to enjoy every year. New team. So, siyempre, they're looking at me as a mentioned veteran player na.
So far, how is the chemistry dito sa team na to na in a way nagkaroon ng uncertainty with their future but now mukhang okay na?
I think all of the guys are really working hard every day. These guys we all have something to prove.
Yeah.
Obviously, a lot of these guys are young guys who are trying to make a career out of themselves, and we have some older guys like sila Calvin and Josh that are still trying to prove that they're probably one of the best players in the PBA. So,
Based sa na team, mukhang you'll have a bigger role here. Ano lang yung sabi mo?
I'm so thankful sa coaches sa trust nila. I think at this point sa career ko, I still want to prove that I can play. Obviously, it's hard to be in a good team like Ginebra and even San Miguel long time to go kasi every year they get new guys tapos it's harder and harder to get to see the court, but now that this team is probably trying to make the playoffs, I can probably help them just even in leadership wise, veteran presence, and hopefully sa court rin na matulungan ko sila.
Reflections lang on your stint with Ginebra, the most recent team you played for.
Honestly, I had such a good time sa Ginebra. Yung mga tao doon, mga friends ko for life yun, mga yan even coaches, yan sila Boss Al, Coach Tim, they'll be my friends for life. So I have nothing but good things to say about them, and I'm so thankful I got to play for Ginebra kasi if you ask anybody sa PBA, they want to play for Ginebra or San Miguel. I got to play for both. So we'll see in the future what happens. But right now, I'm focused on this conference. Hopefully, we'll make the playoffs at least. We'll get a chance to compete when it counts the most. So, just looking forward to everything.